Ornaments DIY is an open challenge for DIY Christmas ornaments. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Here I have made 3 easy Christmas ornaments. Please subscribe and keep watching for some unique Christmas ornaments. So let's get started. DIY number 1, Pine Cone Ornament. The supplies needed include a pine cone, I just got this from outside, some gold spray paint in my stash, some crimson ribbon, greenery, and a tiny green bell. This was easy because it did not take too many steps and was practically free. I found some pine cones outside and picked one that I thought was in pretty good shape and near perfect. I collected these last year, so they had time to dry out and get the bugs out. And I was able to twist an eye hook at the top to use as a hanger. That's the other thing you need. And then I took it to a well-ventilated place and sprayed it bright gold. When it was dry, I brought it inside and I threaded some red organza ribbon through the eye hook . I began embellishing it with greenery and a crimson bow. And hung it on the tree. It is just that simple. Let me see you do one. Styling It My Way is an open collaboration with the theme Ornaments. The host is the Grace Life Home Decor, and the co-hosts are Debbie Bubbles, Decorating with Jazzy Green, Ivy Dowd, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and me, Z9designs. Be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment, and make sure you use the hashtag. DIY number 2, a white fluffy ornament. The supplies needed include a styrofoam ball, a hanger, that's the cap that's on top, black velvet ribbon, hot glue, a white fluffy infinity scarf, some greenery, a bow, and a bell. Now this is another easy DIY to make. I had a Dollar Tree faux fur infinity scarf, and I used it on my last DIY as snow. But this time I'm going to use it as an ornament. And I just cut a piece of the faux fur and I hot glued it to the styrofoam ball. And I pulled it very taut to form around the ball. After I had conformed it to the ornament, I found an unused cap and adhered that to the top of the ball with hot glue. Then I added some greenery and I put a black and white bow with a red jingle bell. And then I hung it with some black velvet ribbon, and it is outstanding. I just love it. A fluffy Christmas ornament. DIY number 3, tree in a bottle. The supplies needed include a glass bottle, small one, some red ribbon, some faux snow, red berries, some red and white string, and a cap. I had a small glass bottle from Target Dollar Spot with a cork on top. I thought, this would make a nice ornament. So I emptied the contents, which were bells and I just hot glued a tiny tree at the bottom of the glass bottle. And I put some faux snow in there and some red berries. And then I tied a red organza ribbon around the neck of the bottle. I put the cork back in. I hot glued a hanger on top. And strung some red and white cording through the opening. What a beauty! Get the kids and grandkids involved. They will enjoy being creative. If you have liked my DIY ornaments, please subscribe to my channel and join in the fun. Follow me on social media, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of my subscribers and those who are thinking about joining. All you need to do is bing, hit that subscribe button and you can join this joyful family. And remember, don't let anyone steal your joy. Have a great day. See you later.